Separate 2 strands of hair into the braider. Press the button up, the hair will rotate with the machine. After the hair rotates to a certain extent, press the button down. After the hair is twisted, use beads to fix the hair and loosen the hair to complete. Pull out the 2-head braiders tool and align the hole and press to install the 3-head braiders tool. Pick your favorite bead color and string it into the bead weaving machine. Snap small strands of hair into the bead weaving machine and push the button up. When the beads are strung in the hair, press down on the bottom bead and gently pull the hook down and out. Use bead snaps to secure the braid.